Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this and at whatever time you're watching this. Welcome to another Giant Graphics tutorial. Today, I told you that Giant Graphics Co is here to teach you everything you need to know, both in tech and tutorials on graphics. And today, I'll be sharing with you how to get the cheapest data on MTN network. Yes, this is for MTN user only. Okay, it's not an hack, it's not a cheat. You're not going to do any scam thing. You don't need to buy a new SIM card. No. Okay, so how do we get this? Now I'm going to be dialing a code to get it. Okay, now this has proven over time to work. Yes. And even yesterday I purchased some and I'll be purchasing another one now. Okay. Alright guys, so it's not a cheat. It's a legit way of buying 1.2 gig MTN data for 150 naira. Yes. So I'm going to go to my dialer. That's okay. And I'm going to dial this code *344*2#. Okay. *344*2#. Okay. This is the code to get the data. Alright, so my code is loading. Okay, you can see buy data bundle, view data bundle. I actually have data bundle, but I'm still going to click on buy. Just press 1 here because I want to show you guys how it works. Okay, then I'm going to click on send. Now you can see I have two options here. I can buy 350 MB for a week or 1.2 gig for 30 days. That means this data will stay for good 30 days. Okay, I'm going to click on 2 because I'm buying the 1.2 gig. All right, so I'm going to type 2 here and I will click on send. 2 send. You can see you'll be charged 150 naira. Did you see, to purchase 1.2 gig monthly bundle valid for 30 days? Okay, just select one to proceed, then click on send. Okay, you can see, do you want your 1.2 gig to automatically renew every 30 days? I'm going to click no because I don't trust MTN. Okay, so I'm going to click no, which is 2. That means it's a one-time off, and I'm going to click on send. Okay, you can see my purchase is actually successful. Let me show you the message they sent to me now. Sorry. Okay, so it's actually loading. Now you can see. Now look at the message I got now. Activation of 1.2 gig was successful and expires on 25/09/2022. You can see that means it's going to be valid for 1 full month. Okay, then I'll click OK. Now there's a message sent to me to that effect already. And yes, dear viewer, dear subscriber, thank you for subscribing to Giant Graphics Co. So that's how you get your data. You can see I have a message already. Activation of, look at it. Activation of 1.2 gig is successful. And it will expire. Look at, and this was the one I bought yesterday. Now you can buy this as many times as possible. You can see I bought this one yesterday, 24th. It will expire 24/09. I bought this one today, 25, and it will expire 25th of next month. All right, viewers, thank you for being here with us. I'm so happy you're here with us. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. And remember, when there is another good news, another goodies, I'll be here to share with you always. Thank you. It's your favorite coach, Oluwaseun Ruth. Have a lovely day.